William and Joshua run regularly, so we're swapping the shoes out and just replacing them because the other ones are a little bit worn. And so we've got them these nice new ones, which they're quite excited to be wearing. We didn't tell them we'd ordered them. I ordered them directly from the Nike website earlier this week, and I think it was Monday, and they arrived, I think it was on Wednesday or Thursday, so fairly punchy as well with their delivery there, so that's pretty good.
Hey boys, look, we've got a surprise for you.
What is it?
Well, this is for doing really well at homeschooling and doing all your running. So, should we go and have a look what's inside?
Yes.
Let you go now. You love me right for a minute, even though I try so hard to forget it.
Yay! Ooh, okay. Okay, well, I'll get them all out.
Wow.
First, I want to say that I like the orange box and the Nike symbol. So I'm going to open mine up, Josh. You ready? Okay. Ooh. It's white paper.
Ooh.
Those look cool. The blue is a really nice shade of blue as well. Yeah, and the Velcro looks really easy to get on and off. As soon as I'm going. I'll just go for you.
Oh, nice.
Right, no.
Try that again.
Right, no. Nike Renew. Well, if you would just like to get your shoe out again so we can compare. So, we both have these on the front, different colours. We both have like a weird looking face here. Will's looks more like a duck. And looks, say, eyes and a mouth. And, no, not mouth, well, a beak. Oh. Also you see it's got a nice point on here. It's also got a little tear. So that means that I can, while I'm running, I can go like that. It will bounce me along like a spring, and it will make me go faster, like that. I just put my finger in to test the cushioning. I feel like it's really nice and springy, and also up here, it's really comfy. So I don't think it will rub at all or anything. It's really comfy, like a cushion. I'll be as snug as a bug in a rug. I can't wait to go out running with these. Neither can I.
But yeah, they're all very excited to wear them. So what we're going to do now, we're going to get them into the shoes, get ready. We're going to go out for a little bit of a run. Probably just go and grab a hot chocolate or something while we're out and about. And take away, of course, due to lockdown and all that. But yeah, we'll go out, have a little bit of a run. Maybe have ourselves a cup of tea or something like that. And yeah, that's that. So we'll see you outside in the foggy weather. It's a bit miserable today, but hey, it's just weather. We'll wrap up warm.
I like the shoes because they're really bouncy and springy, and they push me up and make me go a lot faster, and they're really comfy and warm, and I can't really say anything that I don't like about them.
You're all that I could see. You're all that I could see when I could hardly walk on my own. I had to lift myself out of the trench below. Haven't I suffered enough to let you go? Let you go now. You love me right for a minute, even though I try so hard to forget it. All you do is pave the way so I could reinvent myself. You can watch me glow.
Clapping, boys.
My shoes got muddy. Thanks to the white. Why white?
You can watch me glow.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. or will one explode? The explosion's still going. I'm going to review the shoes. They're really colourful, they look really nice, and they make me run really fast. They're comfy, so if I'm on the shoes, they're amazing. I give my shoes a big thumbs up.